So today we are going to learn about what is division. I think up to class 3-4 you have the basic idea of division. So here we'll learn a bit bigger or longer way to divide. Okay, so I am starting the chapter with the basics again. So what is division? Division means, suppose I have 10 cards over here. Okay, and you have two friends in your house. Okay, so I have asked you to divide this 10 cards among your friends so that each of your two friends get equal number of cards. Okay, so how will you divide? You have 10 cards and you have two friends. Okay, and you are being asked to divide the cards so that each of them get equal card. So if I split it, one card for one, another card for another friend. Friend A gets another card, so friend B gets another. Similarly, after equal distributing the card, I can see that each of my friends are having 5 cards with each of them. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One friend and another friend again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So both of them got 5 cards each. So this process of equal division or equal sharing of numbers or a bigger number into smaller numbers is known as what? Is known as division. So you will remember division is nothing but equal sharing of bigger number. Okay, so I have divided 10 is a bigger number which was divided among two friends, friend number A and friend number B, and both of them got 5 cards each. Okay, this is division. See, division is the process of sharing or splitting of total amount into equal parts. Just now I have discussed this with you. Now, example. I have given you an example with cards. Now let's read what is written over here. If you have 12 candies and want to share them among 3 friends, you will divide 12 by 3. So each of the friends will get 4 candies as 12 divided by 3 becomes equal. So how will you do this division? So the number is 12. And how many friends are there? 3. So you will divide 12 by 3. So 3 into 4. 3 into 4 equals 12. So 3 fours are, you will write 12. And there is nothing left. So each of them will get 4 candies. See, each of them got 4 candies. Division helps us how many equal parts can be made from total amount. It is about equal sharing or grouping. This I have already discussed with you. Okay, so now next. Try it yourself. Just read. When we share equally, do we add? No. Do we subtract? No. Do we multiply? No. What we do? We divide. So division is the right answer. See? Now some important terms related to division. Let us know what are they. First is dividend. What is dividend? A bigger number, what we start with is known as dividend. Suppose we are taking 12. 12 candies. Okay. So this 12 is the number we will split among different people or different groups or different things. So here 12 is the larger number, or 12 is the number what we start with, and this is the number which will be divided. So this number is known as dividend. Okay. Now next comes your divisor. What is divisor? The number or the group or the number of people we are dividing the bigger amount. So that is known as divisor. So if 12 was the dividend and I want to divide it, dividend, and I want to divide this 12 candies among 3 friends. So here 3 will be the divisor. I am dividing 12 by 3. So 3 is basically the divisor. Okay? Understood what is divisor and what is dividend? Now next. Next comes the quotient. Quotient is nothing but the answer or the result you are getting after division. That is 12 divided by 3. Now we know 3 into 4 equals 12. So 3 fours are 12. So 4 is the result. Each of the 3% will get how many candies? They will get 4 candies. See, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Understood? So the result after division we are getting is nothing but known as, in scientific or mathematical term, quotient. Okay? Now next. Now remainder. Every number is not divisible fully. In some case, suppose instead of 12, I have taken 13 candies. Okay. So there are how many people? There are 3 boys. I have to divide 13 candies among 3 boys. So how will you divide? 13 divided by 3. Now 3 fours are we know 12 and 3 fives are we know is 15. So obviously 13 is smaller than 15 but larger than 12. So we have to take the nearest number in case of division. So 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. If we subtract it, what will come? 1 as in the last. Now this 1 is smaller than this number. So this can't be further divided. Can't be further divided. So this is the remaining number which can't be further divided. This is the remaining number. So this will be nothing but remainder. Understood? So 13 was the bigger number or the amount we have started division with. So it is dividend. And we have to divide 13 candies among 3 friends. So 3 is the number we are dividing. So this is known as divisor. And what is the result we got? That each will get 4 candies. So this is the quotient. But at the last we see that 1 candy is left, which cannot be divided equally. So the remaining number is known as what? Remainder. So there are four basically important terminologies which we got in case of division. First is dividend, second is divisor, third is quotient, and fourth is remainder. Understood? Clear? Now next. What's left over after we have divided as evenly as possible is nothing but the remainder. Now there are some rules regarding this divisibility rule. So before we proceed with the division, we must know some rules or properties which are fixed in case of division, and that will help us in solving our mathematics. Okay. First is any number divided by 1 will always be the number itself. Suppose I am taking the same example 12. Okay. So 12 I am dividing among 1. One person I am there are 12. Suppose 10, 11, 12. I have 12 cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I have 12 cards. And I have asked it to divide in myself only, because there is one person. I am the one who is having the 12 cards. So 1 into 12, 1 into 12 equal to 12, or 12 into 1 equal to 12. So 12s are 1, 12s are 12. So did we get the same number as the dividend was? Because I am the one who is getting all the cards. There is no other person. So that is why any number divided by 1 will always be the same number itself. Okay. Now next rule is any number divided by itself. What does that means? 12 divided by 12. 12 1 is 12. So the answer always is 1. Okay? The answer always is 1. Any number divided by 1 is always the number itself, and any number divided by itself is always 1. I have showed you how. Understood? Okay. Let me clear up. Now any number divided by 0. There are 12 cards. I have asked you divide it among 0 people. Is there any possibility that there is a 0 people? With 0 you can't start calculation. So counting with 0 or dividing among 0, dividing among nothing is meaningless. Okay? So any number divided by 0 is undefined or meaningless. Okay? Now the next one, 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number like 12. 12 into zeros are what? 0. Isn't it? 12 zeros are 0. 0 into 12 equal to 0. Right? So 12 zeros are 0. So are you getting any answer? The answer is always 0. Understood the concept? How these 4 are very important? I am repeating this once again. Any number divided by 1 is always number itself. 786 divided by 1 is 786. 786 divided by 1 is always 786. Any number divided by itself. Suppose 12 divided by 12. 12 1 is 12. So the answer is always 1. Any number divided by 0 is meaningless. Okay? Is infinite or meaningless. No meaning. 0 divided by any number. 0 into 12 equal to 0. So answer is always 0. Clear? Okay. I hope you have understood these 4 rules clearly. Now see how you are dividing. A number like 75 is given, which is the dividend. Okay, we are dividing among 4 friends. Let's assume. So here 4 is the divisor. So 4 1 is 4. Carry 3. Okay, then 5 will come over here in the next second step. Okay, so 35. So 4 8s are 32. Okay, then remainder is 3. So if I have to divide 75 among 4 friends, then each will have 18 as the result or quotient and 3 will remain undivided, which will be the remainder. Clear? Now, my question to you is, we have done a division. How do we know that we have done this correctly or incorrectly? So there is a simple way or simple formula to recheck that your division is correct or not. So let us find out how. How do we ensure that we did correct division? So there is a simple formula for it. And what is the formula? The formula is very important for your exam and all your mathematical problems. So please do understand and then memorize it. Okay. So the formula is divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. So remember the first example I took of 12. Let's understand it with a smaller number. So after dividing it with 3, we got no remainder. Okay. So here divisor is 3. Quotient is 4. When you have no remainder, you will put 0 in place of remainder. Okay. Equals to dividend. Okay. 3 4s are 12 plus 0 equal to 12. So did you get 12 as the dividend? What we started with? So the sum we have done is correct. See, similarly, 4 was the divisor, quotient was 18 and remainder was 3. So, if we calculate this, we are getting 75, which was the dividend in the previous sum I have just shown to you. Now, division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Suppose I am taking 75. I have to divide it by 5. This is your first question. So this is your first question. Now pause the video and try it for yourself, or please do the sum along with me. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 equals to 10. So we will take a number that is greater than 5. So 7 is greater than 5, but 5 2s are 10. So this is again greater. So we will take 5, 1 is 5. Subtract it, 2 will come. Next, 5 will come in its place in the next or second step. Okay. Now, 5 5s are 25. Right? We are getting 5 5s are 25. So just put 5 25 over here. So we are getting nothing in the further. Okay. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 15. 15 equals to quotient. This is one, okay, where we did not get any remainder. Next will be where we will get remainder. So let me take 53, okay, divided by 4. Okay, I've taken a number. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. Okay, now 4, 5 is greater than 4. So 4 1 is 4. 1 remains and 3 will come over in the next step. 4 3s are 12. So remainder is 1. So 4 divide, for when we divide 53 by 4, we get 13 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Now you remember the formula, divisor into quotient plus remainder equals dividend. Let's see whether it is right or wrong. Divisor over here is 4. Quotient is 3 plus remainder is 1. So what we are getting? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 13 is the, sorry, sorry. Quotient we got 13. Sorry. Extremely sorry. The quotient we got is 13. So this is the dividend. So this is the dividend. 53 is the dividend. Okay. Now let's see an example given over here. 89 divided by 8. So 9 is bigger. So we are taking only one digit. So we have to find the multiplier of 8 closest to 9. Let's see. 8 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16. This is bigger, so we'll take 8 1 is 8. So 8 1 is 8 we took. Then comes 1. Okay. Next number will come 18. See, 18 came. So we again have to take a number that is closer. So 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 24 will not take, will take 8 2s are 16. So 8 2s are 16 we took. So it remains 2 and 2 cannot be further divided. So over here 8 is the divisor, 12 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder and 98 is the dividend. Clear? Easy? Okay. Now next, division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. See, the sum is given. 625 divided by 4. So 4 1 is 4. 2, then 2 will come here. 4 5s are 20. 2 will come here and 5 will come next. 4 6 are 24. So again there is one remainder. So this is the quotient. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the divisor. Understood? So another number is given. You just try it yourself by one. Then you just check the answer. 756 is divided by 6. 6 1 is 6. Carry 1. Next 5 will come. Then nearest number is 6 2s are 12. Okay. So 12, 3 will come and another number 3 will come next. Now 33 is there. So 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30 and remainder is 3. Quotient is 125. Understood? Now let's check whether this is right or wrong. 6 into 125 plus 3. So 753 is the dividend. Understood? I hope you are getting it. You practice more and more in your copy. You practice from your book. The more you practice, the more you are comfortable in doing division. Now division of 4-digit number by 1 digit. Similarly, a dividend is being taken and divisor is 5. So 5 8s are 42. Since 4 is smaller than 5, we have taken the first 2 digits over here. Okay, we have taken first 4 digits over here. So 5 8s are 40. 2 comes, 9 will come over here. Then 5 5s are 25. Okay, similarly 4 will come here. Next 5 is coming down. 5 9s are 45. So remainder here is 0. Quotient is 598 and divisor is 5. Now next you just put this into formula plus 0 and find out whether the same number comes or not. If you have done it 9, the number will come 4295 only. Okay. Now division of 5-digit number by 2-digit number. Till now we have done 1 digit. Now comes 2 digit. See, 37460 divided by 16. So let's divide. 37460. Now 16 is there, so we cannot take 3 as 3 is smaller, so we'll take 37. Now 16 into 1 equal to 16. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Right? So 16 2s are 32. This is the nearest one because 16 into 3 comes 48, which is again larger. So we will take the nearest term like the previous one. Okay? So 16 2s are 32 minus 5. Next come 54. Okay? Now see, 16 4s are come 64 and here is given 54. So we will take 16 3s are 48 in the next step. 16 3s are 48. Now comes 6. Next number will come over here is 6. Now 16 4s are 64. So this seems to be the nearest one in the third step. Okay. So 4s are 64. 2 comes. Next comes 0. Now 16 1 is 16 and 4 remains. Okay. So over here 2341 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. Okay. See, 2341 was the quotient, divisor is 16, remainder is plus 4. So dividend we got 37460. So what we did, our sum was correct, right? It's checked. Now division of any number by 10, 100 and 1000. This is very easy. Suppose I am taking 360 divided by 10. Okay. So what will you do? There is 0 in the last. There is 0 in the last. You just cut this to 0. So what will be the answer? 36. Now if I say 7, 8, 5, 9, 0, 0. Now divided by 100. So look at this. There are 2 zeros. And over here there are 3 zeros. You just cut this 2 0 with this 2 0. And 78590 divided by 1 will be what? That number itself. So the answer will be 78590. As 1 0 is, we cannot cut because there are 3 zeros, and in the divisor parts there is only 2 zeros. Okay. Next is divided by 1000. Now if I just take 1000 divided by 1000. So there are 3 zeros in the upper part, we have cut it. There are 3 zeros in the lower part, we have cut it. So what is the answer? 1. Suppose 12000 divided by 1000. There are again 3 zeros. So we will cut this 3 with this 3. 12 divided by 1 equal to 12 itself. So this is the shortest trick of solving the division when you have 0 at the end of the number. A number cannot begin with 0. It has no value. But our 0 is put after number, it has the value. Here it is 10, here it is 100, here it is 1000. And this is the shortest trick of solving division when you are given zeros. Okay. So I hope that you have understood the concept. If you have any doubt, please see the video again and again so that you make your clear concept. Okay, and practice more and more. The more you practice, the better you are. See, 374 divided by 10, it is given. So 10 threes are 30. 7 4. 10 sevens are 70. Remainder is 4. R is the remainder. 37 is the quotient. So 37 into 10 plus 4. 370 plus 4 equal to 374. See how easily we have done, and knowing this, it is so easy to recheck what you have done is correct or not. Okay. In this same way, you will divide other numbers. Just like here given, I have already shown you 5400 divided by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Just cancel. What will be the answer? 54. What will be the answer? 54. Now divide each of the following number by 1000. Just try. Just try it by yourself. Still I am doing that for you. 1000 divided by 5, 6, 3, 7. 5s are 5000. 6, 3, 7. Now see, we cannot divide it further. So 5 is the quotient, 637 is the remainder. First one done. I hope you have done it with me. Second number 15863 divided by 1000. So there are 4 digits. We have to take the first 4 digits. Okay. So 5s are 1500. 863. So 863 is the remainder. 5 is the quotient. Done. Now next. 74385 divided by 1000. Sevens are 7000. 834. Next comes 9. Fours are 4000. Comes 3, 8, 9 and 5. Threes are 3000. 895. So 895 is the remainder. 743 is the quotient. Okay, and this is done. I have shown you how to divide. Is it very easy? I hope it is. You just need to practice, and please do practice for your self-development. See, this was the answer. This was the answer. Third, this was the answer. Okay, now long division method. Okay, again a number is given. 967 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, carry 4. Next 6 will come, 5 9s are 45, again carry 1. Then 5 will come, 5 3s are 15. So the remainder is nothing, quotient is 193. Okay. Now we have known how division works. Okay. So now we will go to problems of division. So please read the question. 996 students of a school went on a picnic. Okay. They boarded buses, each of which could hold only 24 students. So how many buses were required? Nice question. Now total number of students. Number of students equal to 996. Okay. Now one bus holds how many students? Holds number of students equal to 24. Okay, done. Then how many buses are required? So what we will do? Therefore, number of buses required are 996 divided by 24. Okay, so now here I don't have any space, so I'm clearing this. You please copy the way I have done. Whenever you are given a problem, you have to solve it with statement. Okay, so please copy down the statement, and after that we'll do the division. 24 into 2. 24 into 3. 24 So 96 over here is the nearest number. So 4s are, we are taking 96. 36. Okay, so 36, so 24 into 1, 24. So 12 students are extra. Okay, so we need 41 bus confirmed and another bus and plus one bus. Why plus one bus, ma'am? Because the extra students left, they will go to another bus. So total number of buses will be 42 bus. So this was an excellent question of division. Okay. So how I have done it, you have understood it well, I think. See, 42 buses are taken. See, quotient is 41. So 12 students cannot go for the picnic. So we have to need another extra bus, that is 42 buses to take all the students for the picnic. So this was an excellent question. So this is type of questions you are going to get in your exam. So another interesting, very, very, very important question. See, the product of two number is given something. If one number is 35, find the other number. This is a very important question. Okay. So product of two numbers is given. This is the first number into something equal to what comes? 22120. And one number among it is given 35. And another number we have to find out. So how we will find out? Something into something is equal to product. So if we divide this by 35, we will get another number. So let us do this. So finding a number in this way, there also we need the process of division. So let us consider the other number be x. Okay. Now we will do the division. 22120 divided by 35. 22 is smaller, so we will take 221. Now let's take number nearest to 221. If I do into 7, 5 to 35 into 5. 75. 35 into 6. So the nearest number is 210. So 35 6 are 210. 1 1 it will come 2. Okay. 35 into 4. So 35 3 is the second nearest number. So 35 3s are 105. Now comes 0. 35 into 2s are 70. Okay. Since there is no space, So I am doing it here. There is no remainder. So another number will be 632. So here instead of question mark we will put 632. So 35 into 632 is equal to 22120. Understood the concept? This is a very important problem and most important in respect of your exam. So this kind of problems will come both in your Olympiad and in your general paper or school paper. So you must know how to find out another number when one number is present, another number is missing, just by division. How I have taught you. See, 632. So this is it. We are done. I have I have taught you everything required for your class 5 level. So I hope you liked the session, and for more such videos, subscribe Fun Scholar Academy. See you in the next class with the next topic. Till then, learn, grow and keep shining.